Let's start the puzzles. Big difference. Your challenge is to place the digits 2, 4, 6 and 7 into the boxes. 4 boxes here. So the difference between the two-digit number is as big as possible. Let's start the answer. The digits 2, 4, 6 and 7. How we will find out the answer? Yeah, first take the big one, 6, 7 and the second one, 6. Here 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a subtraction. Okay, then first 7, 6. And next, which is the small digit, that is 2 and 4. Answer 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 52. That is the difference between the two digits number is as big as possible, that is 52. Okay, next puzzle. Not such a big difference. Your challenge is to place the digits 2, 4, 6 and 7 same into the boxes here. So the difference between the two digits number is as small as possible. Okay? Find out the solution and find out the answer. Let's start.